So once your device is fitted as we have just shown you, so you can erect one wooden pole or iron pole on the field or wherever you want to install the device. Ensure that the pole is fitted properly to the ground, not shaking, and withstands a good amount of speed, or like something like 8 feet pole which or 9 feet pole which is 2.5 3 feet below the soil level you or ground level you have firmly erected. And then this is how we will be installing it in next 5 minutes. So we will have the clamp which we have shown you, so we will just putting it around the wooden pole and the RobotiX device holder black color clamp. So just put it around like a necktie or a belt, and then we just tighten it up. Two clamps has to be used as a belt onto the black clamp RobotiX holder and to the wooden thing to ensure it is fitted firmly, and then we just pull it up. Ensure your device is fitted in such a height which will be the kind of the top portion of the pole, or on top of it there should not be any shade or something for the solar radiation. So once you fix the device like this onto the pole, the next step is our fitting the solar panel. So ensure it is at a 45 degree angle, and the solar panel has to face towards south, and we can use one mobile compass to figure out the south direction of the erection of the pole, and the solar panel has to face towards the south and at a 45 degree angle. And the suggestion is the device should be, as I told, should be on the topmost position, and below to that the solar panel should be present on a south. So we'll just show you how to fix it. So you will be getting, as I have shown you before, you will be getting a solar connector point already being fitted to your solar panel. We have already shown you how to connect the frame to it. Then once it is done, we can just hold it like this, so the white handle portion, and again we will have the holding clamp. So it is again tied up like a belt around it between the wooden panel and the white frame. Your holding clamp goes as a belt, and we just have to screw it up once it is inserted properly. So tight up the screw, and mostly this is the way it is going to look like. Your device facing towards a different direction, and your solar panel is majorly towards the south of your installation. You have to take a device app, device compass, or some other compass to ensure that it is facing to the exact south in this particular place. And then again, two of the clamps that you should use for a firm fitting of the solar panel and also for the device. Once it is done, you can see this plug point. We will just be putting behind this the 5-point base plug. The 5-point connector is basically for the solar panel, and we just connect it like this. And now we'll show you this salt moisture. This red one, as I mentioned, is a soil temperature, and the gray one will be for soil moisture. So accordingly you can fix it into the respective ports. And after you connect all your sensors, there will be a switch on the device. You just switch it on. So there will be a switch like this on the back of the device, which is a can see this is the switch. That's a aluminum switch, so we can just switch it on, which is towards the downside, and our device is ready to send us data. So we have successfully installed, and once we switch it on, probably you have to give our support center a call to ensure that the data flow starts. The authentication will be done automatically, and then the data flow should start within few minutes. Thank you.